Welcome back, Shade Squad. Today we are going to talk about BBAI stock. But first, make sure to knock out the like button in the next 5 seconds.
Sometimes in life, the gods smile upon you, my friends.
Alright guys, as we predicted, we should be seeing BBAI come down to the purple line. Please be patient, let it come down. Earnings, I don't expect it to have great earnings. It's never had earnings that sends it higher. So yeah, purple line, please wait for the purple line. The purple line is coming, guys. Be patient. This is the hardest part. It's the patience and discipline. The purple line right down there, literally 580. We're less than a buck away. This does not look like it wants to hold. It's still a 10. Wait, let me see. Not 10%. Is it 10% down? Let me check. Let me check here. Yeah, it's still about, like a 12% move down. So I'm not gonna buy. I'm hoping it does come down. I want this at the purple line. The cheaper, the better. If it comes down to the purple line, that's where you add big every time. That's been a moneymaker if you've been following the channel long enough. The yellow line that's the 200 EMMA, but it's not as reliable because sometimes the price doesn't come down to it. So the purple line is more reliable for some reason. I don't know why. That's just how it is. But there's the purple line. It's very. Why does it look so? Yeah, the opacity. I put it down a little bit. Let me. There you go. Now it's more visible. So there you go. BBAI purple line is coming. Get excited, guys. This is the time to be excited because in order for the stock to go to its purple line, what needs to happen? It needs to sell off, right? Like there needs to be a sell off in order for it to come down. In order for you to get that 40 to 50% discount. That's just how it is. There's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Like it has to sell. Look at that. It sold off 40% from highs. If it sells off 40%, I mean, that would make sense. It's a buy under 6 at this point. Here it sold off a lot more, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, 67%. So this is why you always wait. Because I know some of you have told me, oh, I bought the top. I'm holding a bag at $8 or $9. And I'm like, great guy, Shades. Best wishes from Ireland. Shout out to MR488. Damn, there's a lot of people who watch me from Ireland. That's crazy. But yeah, anyways, yeah, Koreans, Ireland, Irish people. That's awesome. But anyways, yeah, BBAI. BBAI, let me just make sure I'm pulling up the, by the way, I looked up, because I know you're watching, Crystal, I looked up what does it mean to call someone a succulent. It means you're calling them stylish, attractive, or has a unique charm. I don't know if that's true. That seems fake. I didn't know. I was hoping it would mean something less nice, like, oh, you're a succulent, like, kind of like, you like to suck or something. But nope, apparently it means something nice. I didn't know. But yeah, let me pull up the comments from you guys. I have not read comments in a while. It's been a while, but this is expected. This is normal. If you've been around the game, you know already. Let it come down. Be excited. Be excited for the ride. Again, it has to sell off to come down to that purple line, and it has to sell off. Think about it. Every time it has to sell off 40 to 60%. This is why you don't buy tops. This is why you don't chase. Yeah. I mean, if you're short, maybe short the top, but you know what I'm saying? And make money both ways. I don't like shorting. I only go long because that's easy money because the market overall goes higher over the long term. We're bleeding out. I think, people weren't too happy about whatever Powell said. It's whatever. It doesn't matter. We've had plenty. We've had plenty of negative headlines, and what ends up happening is it's nothing more than opportunity. Every drop, every dip, especially one to the purple line, has always been opportunity. So don't overthink it. Keep it simple. We're still trending to the upside. We're still in a bull run. Until we get confirmation of a bear market, there's no reason to be concerned. I just need to make sure to remind people because people get, they lose their minds, man. Too many people, they start crying like, oh no, it's over. One red day and it's the end of the world. Like, relax. Like, we've been here before. It happens every time to the point where I'm just like, do people not understand how this game works? Like, it has to sell off to come to the purple line. That means it has to drop a lot. It has to have a lot of red days, right? We need to have a lot of red. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 red candles and 3 green ones. Like, that's normal. Like, I don't understand. Like, people don't cry when when they see a big green candle. Like, there's no one's crying, going, "Oh no, it's going up. Please stop." Nobody says that. Yeah, Fed rate cuts. I think after the last rate cut, or when Powell is out and Trump installs his own, his own guy, the Fed cuts will be big, and I think the markets will react negatively. That's what I believe, because I think we're already pricing it in. We're already pricing in the cuts. So once we get that big cut, I think we're gonna tank. That's what I believe, because everyone is betting. I want you to think about what I'm about to say. Everyone is banking on the big cut from Trump whenever he gets his guy in and Powell is out. When that happens next year, I think the market will react by selling off. I think we go into a downtrend, a bear market, whatever you want to call it. I think we sell off for a few months and then we continue higher. Because that happened this year. This year, what happened between January and April? We just went down. Like, everything just tanked. So that's my prediction. I know it's a crazy prediction, but I've seen this before. And if I'm wrong, fantastic. Please just keep going up. I win either way. If it goes down and sells off under the purple line, I win. I get to buy cheap. If it goes higher and trends and we still continue the bull run, fantastic. I still make money because it goes up. So when you're buying good companies that trend to the upside on the yearly time frame, you win either way. Like, I can prove that to you. Let me just show you the best, one of my favorite stocks, Nvidia, right? Nvidia. What do you see? Oh no, look at these 3 red days. Oh no, it's over. It's the end of the world. Then you go to the yearly time frame. Oh, those are just dip buying opportunities. Look at these red years. They were nothing more than dip buying opportunities. And where does Nvidia keep doing? It just keeps going up. So any bear market, any downside is just nothing more than dip buying opportunity. But I've noticed a lot of people have, I've noticed girls tend to be a lot more emotional with their trades, but no, that's wrong. I'd be wrong to say that. Actually, guys are possibly more emotional. From what Joey Shaw right now, he's crying. There's this guy in my Discord, Joey Shaw. He's getting absolutely destroyed on MSTR, and he's crying. Like, he's not happy today because he did a lot of stupid shit today. He let the emotions get the best of him. So I think it might be actually the guys that cry more than the girls, surprisingly. But I've noticed a lot of you need to just get a handle. If you can handle your emotions in the markets, you're gonna succeed. If you're gonna be emotional, you need to tame that. You need to get numb to the markets being red. But it also comes down to what your stock pick is. Like, a lot of my stocks, a lot of you have made a lot of money. Why? Because my stock picks are good, right? Like, I pick good companies. I pick stocks that go up. I pick stocks that make sense to buy. Do I have some bad calls? Yes. Color was a bad call, right? MSTR, another bad call. So yeah, I've had bad calls. Absolutely. Funny enough, the 2 stocks that I had a bad call on, MSTR, a Bitcoin treasury, Color stock, also a Bitcoin treasury. Isn't that funny? It's almost like I should just not bother with Bitcoin treasuries because they just caused me to have bad calls this year. Those were my worst calls this year, my biggest losses, and they were both Bitcoin treasuries. That's funny to think about. So I'm going to write a little note for myself. Do not trade Bitcoin treasuries. They're just garbage. Clearly, I just lose money on them. It's too volatile for me. Stay away from them. That's a learning lesson right there. But BBAI here, like I said, I think any drop is opportunity. Yeah, that's about it. I think people overthink it. They overthink it, but you need to get a handle on your emotions. So hopefully Crystal and another day trader, another trade, and all those people that leave comments, like, please get a handle on your emotions. Because once you get a handle on that, it's going to be easy money. Because any red, you get excited, like, yes, bring it down lower, please, please, because I know this is gonna come back up. Let me just look at the, where is it? Why can't I find your comments, guys? Because I love reading your comments. We have a nice little community. People aren't really rude or anything like that. I guess because everyone's like older and more professional, right? Like, you know, like another day trade looks like he's like 35, 40. Crystal, I assume she's like 50. Like the Koreans that watch me or Vietnamese people that watch me, they tend to be like 40 to 50. Let me see. Let me pull the comments off to the side. Okay, that's just a bot. Fantastic. Fantastic. The first thing I read is a whole bot. Thanks for covering BBAI. Shout out to 3D movie viewers. I've been drinking a little, by the way. I drink a little something there. Let's go, Big Bear. Shout out to another day, another trade. Morning Shade still holding BBAI and still holding Flowers 2. Korean succulents. Oh, yeah, so you are Korean. Okay. I wasn't sure. I mean, I'm assuming. Maybe you're not. Maybe you just live in Korea and you're white. Who knows? Korean succulents release stress from red market. Yeah. Release stress from red. Yeah, that's another thing. Man, a lot of you get stressed about the markets. Like, there's people who literally have admitted they go to sleep looking at the markets. They wake up looking at the markets. Like, they don't like take a day off from the markets. They're always watching the markets, which to me is crazy. Because I take Sundays off. Like, Sundays, I just don't even bother with the markets. I don't make videos on Sundays anymore. Sunday is a day where I don't even think of, no. I stay away from it on Sunday. Yeah, a lot of people use alcohol as a sleep aid, which is really bad, really bad. So every Sunday, I just don't think about the markets. I would hate my life. I would hate my life if I was just thinking about the markets 24/7. Screw that. Take a day off and don't think about it. But yeah, it helps release stress from red market. So shout out to Crystal. That's a bot. Is that it? Okay. Wait, maybe held? No, I'm not gonna. Who knows what people left? Let's go. Hey, Porter White Brew, let's go. She's got the southern drawl. She's in the Discord. She has a southern drawl. It's really awesome to hear a different accent. Because we've been doing a little fun challenge in the Discord, like use only voice messages just to hear people's voices. And I've never heard a southern drawl. It's amazing. Wow. I don't even know what to read here. That guy got spammed. Let's go. Can't wait to load the bow. Bro, all I can see Sybil is on the screen. You messed up this video. Bye, my friend. That's it. I'm shorting if you're buying, LOL. What was this, BBAI a month ago? Yeah, if I had shorted a month ago, I actually would have been in the green, Crystal. I actually would have been in the green. That's what's funny. I would have been in the green if I shorted. I should have shorted you. You're a buy signal, Crystal. That's what that means. That means when you say bye, my friend, I need to again, it looks like it's going to come down lower. So anyways, that's it for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Let me know what you think.
Crossing, I take my chance. Risk is managed, I let it dance. If it